Hey guys, hope you're all well. Right, RM wheels. We've had the spokes come at last. It's getting quite late, so I'm literally going to lace these wheels up and see what they look like. I had a nice weekend. We had a night out in the vans. I did do a bit of filming, so I might put some up sometime in the week of that because it was quite good. Anyway, we got new spokes. Psychic MX components. They're looking good quality, so we'll get this wheel laced up and the front one and we'll see what they look like. Right, we'll just double check them with one of the old ones while they're still in the bag and sealed, just in case they're different. It'd be nice to send them back with them still sealed in the original bag if we have to. Now we're looking good. Right, let's chop the bag up and start lacing that wheel up. Well, let's go for the inside ones first. I think these are going to look absolutely fantastic when they're built. I'm just going to do everything loosely to begin with, just in case I'll get it wrong. Tell you what, shall I pick up the right nipples? They're the ones for the front. They might fit. Try again, shall we? Oh, how about that? Straight in. Who would have thought? Miss one on here, miss three on the rim. Just got to get into the stride and then it'll fly together. Miss one. It should be pretty maintenance free when all this is done with the stainless spokes. Right, on with the other way now. This is where I'll see if I've messed up or not. No. There you go. Sometimes you can go like put one section in, then you can't get the others in because you've done it sort of the wrong way round. But no, we're good. All good. Quickly zip round this, get this side done, and then flip it over. Last one on that section. There we go. It's going to look good. Right, over we go to the other side. First one on the other side. I will say something. It all feels very nice compared to doing Enfield wheels. I don't know, it's just something about them. I probably spoke too soon. No, I think they're going to be good. Alright, last row now. Yeah, boy, about scratching the rim. There we go. Tell you what, I might have to undo them ones. I don't want to force them past the rim. And end up scratching it all over the place. It's not the end of the world. So in theory, that rope probably should have gone in first on the final part. Ain't a problem, just got to do that. Cross them over, that's it. Last one. Laced. Oh no. I thought I had a spare nipple. It's dropped off. Thought I was lucky. Lucky I got a third nipple. There we go. Right, that's the rear laced up then. It's looking good. Certainly a lot better than what they were. I'll say they've still got the odd little nick here in the rim, but I just didn't want to dress them back too much. But they are a lot better than what they were. Right, let's sling that one to the side and I'll quickly lace the front one up. Two laced up wheels. Very pleased with them. They look far better than what they did. They were looking quite rough, and if I remember right, there was a couple of spokes missing, or at least one, so that is a big improvement. It's only a little short video, but it's another step closer on the RM build. Anyway, that'll do me for today. It's getting quite late. Next video, what have I got next video? I don't know, I've got a couple of little things in mind. Like I say, it's just little jobs, plodding along, getting myself back into things. So I appreciate you following. They're not probably the best of videos, but I can't thank you all enough for sticking with me, really. It's one of them. Anyway, that'll do. I don't know, I might true them up, or we've got the exhaust pipe to do, the other dents in that's going to be a little bit trickier than the last one. I do appreciate all the comments on that, by the way. I really do. And I might do a little simple video as well. I've got these sidebars that we're making for the vans. I might just do a little video of welding the tube and grinding it. Probably a little how-to of the grinding and stuff like that, how to do it all nice and keep it really round. It probably sounds really simple, but I have seen quite a few people struggling with that and end up with loads and loads of flats in it. So I might do something like that. Who knows? Like I say, I'm just keeping the wheels a rolling. Anyway, that'll do. Cheers for watching, guys. Take care.